We'll look into subroutines and functions of VBA. Both subroutines and functions will have block of code in them to perform some task. But the key difference between subprocedures and functions is that a function can return a value, whereas a subprocedure cannot return a value. We'll understand them by writing sample subprocedure and function. Let's get into the VB editor. Here we can see the main subroutine. This is the main subprocedure. Subroutine is otherwise called as the subprocedure. So this is the main subprocedure. From here we can call other functions and subprocedures. Say here we can get the name of IPL team name from the user using a function. Then we'll write a subprocedure to display the captain name of the IPL team. So let's start writing a function first to get the user to get the IPL cricket team name from the user. This is the structure of function. It starts with the keyword function followed by the function name. Let's give the function name get team. Function ends with the end function statement. Here we'll use input box. Enter the team name. We'll assign a variable. Here let it be team name. Now we have to return this value to the main subprocedure. A function will return the value using the variable which has the same name as that of the function name. So here get underscore team is the function name. So it can return a value using the same name only. Get underscore team is equal to team name. Now we will call this function from the main subprocedure. To call the function, we need to mention the name of the function followed by the parenthesis, open and close parenthesis. Here the value which is getting returned from the function will be assigned to a variable. I am using another variable to assign the value, that is the string. We have got the team name from the user. Next we have to return the captain name. To return the captain name to the user, we'll write another subprocedure. This subprocedure, it can have arguments. So while calling from this main subprocedure, we have to pass this team name 1 as the argument to this subprocedure. We will call the subprocedure you can use the call keyword. Here we need to pass this value to the sub procedure. We'll use the if statement. If the team name entered by the user is CSK, then the message saying that the captain is Dhoni has to get displayed to the user. Captain of CSK is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Else if team name is Mumbai Indians, that is MI, then the captain name of Mumbai Indians is Rohit Sharma, will be returned to the user. Else if the team name is Rajasthan Royals, then captain of the team is Steve Smith. I'm using only 3 teams as an example here. I'm ending the if statement here. So we are done with writing this. Now we have to declare the variables. So we'll declare the variables used here at the module level itself. We are declaring both of them as string. Now we'll run the code. I'm entering RR. We have got the message. Captain of RR is Steve Smith. I'm entering CSK. Captain of CSK is MS Dhoni. We'll run again. Captain of Mumbai Indians is Rohit Sharma. So we have checked for all the teams, and for all of the teams the messages are getting displayed correctly. So this is how the function and subroutines work. That's it.